What is up, guys? Chris here, Bear Market Mining. Thanks again for stopping by. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can dual mine or merge mine Casper and Cantzium. Canaxium, cow is the tag, however you want to say it. But the advantage of this dual or merge mining is you can continue to mine Casper, use no extra power, and increase your profits while mining cow at the exact same time. So in times like these where profits are really low on everything, the markets are down, it's nice to be able to eke out a little bit more margin on your Casper miners. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right, so first up, let's have a look at what Cantzium is. So we're over here on cantzium.org, and I will leave all the links in the description so you can have a look, have a read for yourself, and find out how to set this up properly. So if we read down here, it says powering crypto even offline. It has a market-driven supply control. It says Cantzium has invented a new decentralized supply mechanism that ensures COW's issuance is determined by market demand, fostering a dynamic and sustainable blockchain economy. So they're only releasing coins that are needed as per market demand, is per my understanding. It's not one of these never-ending supply chains, which can tank the price and the value of certain cryptocurrencies. There's constant mining costs. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, Cantzium maintains a fixed mining cost under all conditions, and it says this prevents unpredictable fluctuations and ensuring long-term stability. And we like stability because the crypto market is up and down, as we all know. It's decentralized and autonomous, which we like. That's self-explanatory. It also says a balanced economic model. By allowing market forces to regulate supply and demand, Cantzium minimizes inflation risks while promoting organic growth and long-term sustainability. It's multi-algorithm compatible, as we know. We're talking about it today. Not only can you mine it on the K heavy hash algorithm, but I think it's also mineable on the Blake 3 algorithm, or Alephium, as some of you might commonly know, is using that algorithm as well. A sustainable mining approach with an efficient reward system based on mining difficulty. Cantzium prevents excessive resource consumption while ensuring fair and predictable incentives. And finally, it says expanding mining accessibility. By enabling offline mining, Cantzium opens new opportunities for users in remote or undeserved areas. Undeserved areas, not sure exactly what they mean by that, increasing participation in the global blockchain economy. So just a bit of a brief overview. Like I said, cantzium.org if you want to have a bit more of a read. They've got the white paper up here, the API, the ecosystem. I'll leave the link for that so you can have a bit of a read and see if it's something you want to get into. So mining, how are we going to mine it? Well, it is available now, I think, on a few pools, but as of this recording, we have chosen whalepool.com to use it. So as the name suggests, it's literally whalepool.com. I'll leave the link in there. The first thing you're going to need to do, set yourself up an account. So there'll be a login or register button up the top right here somewhere. You're not going to need me to show you exactly how to do that. So first, you're going to make your account. Next up, we're going to need to set payout wallet. So we're over here in our mining section. You can simply go into mining account. You see here on the left, and it will give you the options for Casper and cow payout addresses. So you would simply click change payout address and enter your wallets in for both Casper and cow respectively. Now, when you first set this up, there is a disclaimer. There is, I think it's about a 24-hour or even a 12-hour cooling off period. So when you first change your address, you won't be able to receive payouts within that 24 hours. It's just a security thing in case, just say you were to get hacked or someone was to get access to your wallet, you could pause that, add a new address, and keep a hold of your crypto. So setting up your account, obviously you need a flight sheet, right? So we're over here in the Casper mining tutorial. So first things first, you're gonna register yourself and account. I'll leave the link for this page so you can figure out exactly what to do. It says down here, setting mining parameters. So I'm using a KS5M, so ASICs. So these would be your pool addresses. You'd simply enter those in, and I'll show you on the next page exactly what that would look like. You obtain and bind your wallet addresses. We've already been through that. Very self-explanatory. This is really easy to set up. As you can see, we've spoken about what's going on there, and then it's just telling you how to view and monitor your account, which you can do up here by going into worker or payments. It'll tell you your hash rate. It'll tell you exactly how much you're earning per day as well. So over here in my pool configuration, we can see right here, we've got the 3 different pool addresses. One is for Asia, one is for the US, and one is for the EU. So you would simply copy and paste these right here. Copy, paste right in as you'd expect. Now your wallet address, you're setting within the Whalepool org itself. So we can see we've got our wallet addresses here. So it's not a conventional mining setup where you would enter your wallet address as the payout address. Instead, you're using your account name. So your account name would be up here on the top right. And it also shows it, where are we? Where you can find it here as well in your sub account management. So you would enter that in, you'd use dot, and you can enter in your own worker name if you'd like. Now, funnily enough, mine is set as .001, but in the pool, it's got it registered as a KS5M. So not sure how that works. But it's mining. We'll have a look at that in a sec. And of course, password, enter whatever you want in. I often don't even leave a password. I just follow the tutorial exactly. It said put a password in called test. So that's what we did. So once that is all set up and you start mining, it registers itself very, very quickly. So we'll jump back over to whalepool.com and we can see that it's hashing and see that it's also mining that cow token and yielding a little bit of extra rewards. We can see over here, we're back on whalepool.com and under the payments section. Now we can see our Casper, and we've also got this little section for cow where it's showing us exactly how much we've mined so far. So this has been online for about 12 hours, about half a day. We've yielded 0.06 cow and of course 39 or 40 Casper, but that was to be expected. So if we assumed at about a day rate, we'd be mining 0.12 cow. This is on a 15 terahash KS5M. Let's see how much extra rewards that's giving us. So back over here on CoinGecko, we type in the 0.21 and it's about 27 cents for a day, right? Nothing huge, but if you're at that point with a different miner where you're not making any profit, then this could be a really good way to do it. Merge mine both of them, sell off the cow if you wanted to, so you can make that little bit of extra profit and cover some electricity costs. What I really like about merge mining Cantium is, let's have a look at this chart. This is the max chart. So currently the price is trading at about $2.26 AUD, so about $1.50 USD. But back at all-time high prices, it was trading just under $30 Aussie or about $20 USD. So there is potential for a bit of a 15x on this profit if that would ever happen. I'm not saying it's going to reach all-time highs again, but if it does and you are mining and holding, you know, you could be looking at closer to the sort of $4.50 mark, $4 Aussie or $3 a day extra profit. You know, over a year, it could be $1,000 that you're yielding for doing absolutely nothing. So a really, really good little merge mining program here. And why wouldn't you, I say? If we look at my hash rate back over on Whalepool, where are we? You know, my hash rate for some reason has spiked up to 18.79 terahash, but around the 15 terahash is what we've been getting the whole time. It's using no extra power and it's making you a little bit more money with the potential of making you a reasonable chunk of change if you were to stay on it consistently. So while only a small amount currently daily that you'd be yielding extra, we're over here on mining now. We can see these KS5Ms. This is at 12 cents Aussie or 8 cents USD electric rate. I've got them hosted with Ice River. Shout out Ice River. Links in the description if you want any referral codes for a discount there. But, you know, for an extra 27 cents or whatever we figured out before, you know, it's an additional 3%, right? Extra profit, which ain't huge again, like I said, but I'm not sure if this bull run is coming at the moment. We may even be considered to be in a bear market again. So a 3% extra profit or revenue on anything, I think you'd take all day. That is going to wrap it up, guys. Wanted to keep it short and sweet for you. You know, keep it very basic. You can see the numbers, you can see how to do it. There's not much more to say about it. It's purely up to you whether you want to do it. If you need any help with setting it up, leave a comment down in the comment section or join the Discord. That link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.